Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 15 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off, and once you see the Apple logo you can then release. Continue to hold. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel as well. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.